This is John with Cruising Addicts, and today we're taking you on a tour of the Carnival Vista Casino. Sit back, enjoy the tour, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and visit our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!
Scrolling through my screen, searching for a dream. Found a channel that's got me hooked on the scene. Cruising addicts taking me on a ride. From ship to ship, they're the experts, they're the guide. Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and shore excursions too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
Carnival Vista's casino is named the Vista Casino and is located midship on Deck 4, which is the mezzanine deck. The casino has a total of approximately 217 gaming machines, which include slots, video poker, and some skill games. There are also 17 table games for you to enjoy in the casino, including roulette, craps, poker, and blackjack. In addition to the main casino where smoking is allowed, there is also a non-smoking casino that features 42 gaming machines and 5 table games. With Carnival, casino play is tracked on your ship card, which is also your cabin key. To collect any cash outs from the machines, you will use your ship card, so make sure you use it while playing on the machines and at the tables. You can cash out any casino credits on your card at the cashier. If you accumulate enough points while playing on your cruise, the Carnival's Player Club could offer you free drinks, special casino sailings such as Premier, Ultra, or Elite sailings, free or discounted future cruises, and casino tournament invitations. We hope you enjoy our casino tour and walkthrough of the Vista Casino on Carnival Vista. If you would like more information on cruise line casinos, visit our website cruiselinecasinos.com. Also, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Happy sailing, good luck in the casino, and enjoy the rest of the tour.